Jaod bura ma Kiharu Ndindi nyoro koro wacho ni kata obedo ni omenda maromo bilion 5 oyudore matayo chenro mar piny pacho ka, omenda ma kamano pod ni piny ahinya. Wira ni piny Kenya dwaro kwan omenda maromo bilion 8 ne chenro ma kamano. Koloso e kaunti ma Murang'a, Nyoro nomedo ni piny owacho nyaka ket okenge manyalo bero sekta mar somo kendo chwalo chenro mag somo e rang'iny mamalo. Omendo ni bajet ma higa ni mibiro pedhi e od bura kendo somo juma mabiro ok orango dwach oganda jo Kenya e sekta mopogore opogore.
Even fathers here, this is the Parents Association of Alliance High School. That day, when that is, you know, I've seen
hata kupeleka walimu wetu huko nje kumamotivate ni kitu mzuri sana ambayo imeinua masomo hapa kwetu Kiharu, na ambayo watoto hao wetu wakisoma vizuri tutakuwa na watu wa muhimu sana kwa katika hii constituency yetu.
Pesa ya capitation katika ile budget ililetwa na National Treasury katika bunge, pesa ya capitation was not enough ya primary school, ya secondary schools. It wasn't enough. But even more astonishing, pesa ya examination, there was nothing. It was zero. Sasa wakajaribu wakafanya ukarabati kidogo, ile capitation haikuwa inatosha, wakakata zaidi bilioni 5 ikapelekwa katika atidio ya examinations. And examinations in Kenya require 11 billion Kenya shillings. So I want to request the policy makers in this country, let us not make a budget of lying to ourselves and lying to our development partners.